So in this video, we're gonna explore the new Call Financial mobile app. So yeah, let's go! Hi guys, Yupilu here. Now before we begin, quick shoutout sa ating new channel member na si Arky Teach. Okay? So again guys, thank you guys for your support. And at the same time, we're actually doing a experiment kung saan we're sharing mga exclusive videos for our channel members. So dito, we're gonna add dito mga masterclasses, mga webinars, and mga intensive trainings. So this is a new benefit sa mga channel members natin. So if you also want to experience itong mga benefits na to, check out the link down in the description, become a channel member, and support this channel. Ngayon, pag-usapan naman natin about yung new mobile app ng Call Financial. So, I'm not sure if this is already rolled out to everyone, to all call users. Pero I see kasi Call Financial na they're running ads dito sa bago nilang platform. So, in fact, I'll just put the link down in the description. It's pro.callfinancial.com. And if you're using desktop, you will be redirected to their brand new na website. So, it's like Call Financial Pro. Tapos, if you're using naman mobile, you will be redirected dun sila mobile app nila. The thing lang with this mobile app is that hindi siya available in Play Store or in Google Play. I mean, sa App Store or sa Google Play. So, it's a web app, meaning from a mobile, I mean, like it's an application na ida-download mo and once you open it, para siyang web browser na naka-app. Okay, so it's so difficult to explain but basically hindi pa siya available in the App Store or in the Play Store. So you can check it out. Just visit again the link in the description pro.callfinancial.com. Check it out if pwede ka na bang makapag-login sa mobile app na ito. Now in this video, I'm gonna show you what's inside sa brand new mobile app nila. So yeah, let's get started. So this is how the dashboard would look like. So if meron ka na account in Call Financial, just log in using your login details, tsaka yung same password, and mapupunta ka na inside the Call Financial mobile app. So if you notice dito, this is the market, makikita natin overview, and maganda yung PSE index natin ngayon, okay, green tayo. So makikita natin yung stats, indices, ito PSEI, financials, okay, holdings, industries and whatsoever, okay, nandyan yan lahat. Makikita din natin ito yung most active, okay, so ICT talaga yung pinaka-active ngayon, no, BDO, AT, Emperador, Ayala, okay, kikita na natin yung mga top gainers, okay, so far very sleek naman, okay, so magandang tignan naman yung mobile app nila. Now, this is for the market. Okay, and then ito naman watch list. So makikita natin dito watch list, my market, my portfolio. So for portfolio, screenshot na lang natin kasi hindi kasi pwedeng ma-hide eh. So we don't wanna show our portfolio but basically I'll show later, screenshot na lang natin. But this is the watch list. Pwede kang gumawa ng watch list dyan. So ano ba yung mga gusto mong nasa watch list mo? So pwede kang maglagay dyan. Again, sa market. And then dito naman if mga orders, so makikita yung posted, yung mga nagmatch, and so on and so forth. And then, one thing I love dito is yung individual stocks. So let's say for example, search natin dito like A-REIT. Okay? So notice dito sa A-REIT, makikita mo yung overview niya. So dito, di ba, may medyo advanced na yung charting nila, Di ba? Maganda na. Meron ng mga MA, moving average, volume SMA, meron ng RSI, okay? If naintindihan mo yan, okay? And then dito makikita mo yung bid and ask. So ito yung ano yung price that they're willing to pay and what they're willing to sell. And then ito naman yung mga recent trades, all right? And then check natin yung info. So makikita dito mga information about the stock. Okay, but what is important as a dividend investor is ito talaga dito sa financials and ito din yung dividends. So, wait natin to. Alright. So, dito makikita natin as a dividend investor, we wanna make sure na kumikita yung company, di ba? So, if you notice, yun, in terms of net income, increasing naman. So, however, yung nakita ko lang sa graph nila, bakit baliktad to? Nandito 2025 eh. Pabaliktad, no? So, pabaliktad yung graph nila. Okay. And then yung balance sheet naman, okay. So yan, makikita mo yung cash, assets, liabilities, and then yung cash flow din nila. Okay? Key metrics meron din pala dito. Okay? So yeah, these are numbers that you need to check if you're a dividend investor. And of course, yung dividends din. So, eto, at least eto, hindi na baliktad yung, yung graph nila, no? So, if you notice dito, sobrang ganda talaga ni A-rate kasi like, it's increasing yung dividends and makikita mo din yung dividend history niya. From 2021 all the way to 2026, ay makikita mo na increasing yung dividends niya. Dito rin makikita natin yung buyers and sellers din. Okay, so let's check other stocks. Let's say Metro Bank. Check natin Metro Bank. So, same thing. May overview dyan. May loading na graph. Naglo-load pa yung graph. Okay. So, huwag na natin hintayin. Punta tayo sa financials. Ayun, loading din. Okay. So, I'm not sure if it's my internet or if it's the mobile app. Oh, ayun, loading talaga. Dividends din. Alright. Ayun, eto na. So, again, baliktad pa din, di ba? Yung earnings summary nila. So, net income, EBITDA, okay, and then balance sheet. Oh, bakit ganito? Walang assets. Baka mali ito. Hindi updated. Okay. Dividends, check natin. Yun, tagal mag-load. Ayun, 7.48% dividends. So, if you notice, si Metro Bank medyo go up and down lang. Compared kanina with A-rate na increasing talaga yung dividends niya per year. Okay? Now, what I love about this one is simplified din yung pagbili. So, let's say, for example, you wanna buy Metro Bank, click mo lang yung buy, and then boom. So, simple, di ba? Makikita mo yung price, makikita mo yung shares kaagad. And then, makikita mo dito yung buying power. So, meron tayong 2.7 dyan. And then, net amount, okay? 670 if you wanna buy 10 shares. If you want more shares, click mo lang to. Oh, di ba? Sobrang simple na lang. Okay? Tapos, preview by order. Kita mo dyan. Please confirm. And then, enter your password. And then, yun, confirm your order. So, very simple na yung pagbili ng stocks. So, ayun, very simple na lang pagbili ng stocks. Kasi before, nakaka-confuse ano ba yung price niya, ano ba yung minimum board lot. Okay, so ito, very simple na lang siya. Click-click na lang. Okay. However, if medyo pro ka, meron din naman silang ganun na feature. So, punta ka lang dito sa menu na part. Okay. And then, may actually dito, may pro mode. Okay. Pro mode. So, if gawin natin yung pro mode, so ito, this Ayala Land. Let's search, let's say, ano nga yung company natin kanina, Metro Bank, di ba? Example, Metro Bank. So, if you notice dito, you can now add the price. So, pwede ka na maglagay dito ng price na gusto mo. And then, dito naman is the quantity. So, eto, babalik na yung bid and ask. No? So, makikita mo na yung bid and ask dito. So, this is like the pro mode. Meron din dito yung add lot. Meron dito good till cancel or good till day. So, may mga features na siya dito na pang pro. So, kanina, simplified version yun. Another benefit naman dito sa menu na part, okay? So, meron din itong heat map. So, again, ito yung pro mode. Kanina, that was the simple mode. Ngayon naman is heat map. So, dito makikita mo yung performance. Para ba siyang visual performance. So, if you notice dito, makikita natin, in terms of value, makikita natin na ICT, yung pinakamalaking value that's currently traded in the stock market. Sobrang daming bumibili at nagbibenta, no? Tapos, green siya, meaning maraming bumibili. Tapos, next in line naman is ito, BDO. So, pinaka-green din, or green din siya. So, meaning marami ding bumibili ni BDO. And then 80 and so on and so forth. So, meron siyang heat map. Pwede din naman natin i-change from value. Ito naman volume. So, in terms of volume, gaano kadaming shares yung mga nabibenta. And pwede naman ito market cap, how big the company is in terms of their market capitalization. So, okay. MFC. I forgot anong company to. Manulife ata to or MFC. Tapos, ito naman Sun Life din. So, yan in terms of market cap, value. So, ito yung in terms of like the actual peso talaga na traded in the stock market. Tapos, another thing naman dito sa menu part. So, dito makikita natin yung mostly mga settings like dark mode. Ito terms and services. And then mga broker activity. So, makikita natin. Sige, check na nga natin. So, dito makikita natin ng activity ng mga different brokers. So, ito yung mga different brokers that's currently trading in the stock market. So, sobrang dami niyan. Call Financial, UBS, JP Morgan, BDO Securities. Alright. So, sobrang daming mga brokers yan. So, broker report. This is naman in terms of ranking, in terms of the volume that they are doing in the stock market. Tapos, another thing dito, makikita natin yung change password. Tapos, retrading consent. Yung problem lang, as of now, sa mobile app nila is wala pang deposit tsaka withdrawal. Okay? So, how you deposit this one? Most likely, you do bills payment or whatnot. And then for withdrawal, then you cannot withdraw your funds yet dito using the mobile app. So, if you wanna withdraw, punta ka talaga sa desktop version. Now, ito naman, quick screenshot about sa portfolio. So, dito yung portfolio, makikita mo yung portfolio mo, okay? Tapos, meron dito actual balance and available balance. What I'm really interested, medyo na-shock ako kasi meron dito nilagay na available margin. So, I'm not sure bakit mayroong margin. So, does this mean na pwede nang may leverage trading in the stock market, Philippine stock market? Okay? And then dito naman, ito yung allocation. So, makikita mo din visually yung allocations ng portfolio mo. So, dito may cash, stocks, or mutual funds. So, wala tayong mutual funds inside our Call Financial. And then, konti lang yung stocks, konti lang yung cash natin, and then mostly naka-invest talaga siya on stocks. So yeah, very simple lang naman yung portfolio din nila. So yeah, that is the Call Financial, their new mobile application. Now, first impression natin, at least they're doing a good job. This is the right step to the right direction. And then medyo maganda na din, or let's say medyo sleek na din yung design niya. Very simple UI. Especially, I really love yung simplified way to buy and sell stocks. However, kapag i-compare natin with Dragonfly, medyo sobrang behind lang talaga. Dragonfly kasi like nandun na yung funds, you can do deposit, you can create multiple accounts, you can create sub-accounts, you can invest in funds, meron din silang auto-invest in funds. So, sobrang daming features na ng Dragonfly mobile app. But, if you ask me, Call Financial, at least this is already pretty good. And then, if tatanungin nyo ako if gagamitin ko ba yung mobile app, then most likely, baka yung gagawin ko is, i-delete ko siya. And, para bang yung goal ko talaga with Call Financial is since mostly, parang nasanay na ako ng desktop mode siya. Yung good thing kasi kapag desktop mode lang siya, hindi mo siya masyadong nakikita. Compared with kasi with Dragonfly, like lagi mo siyang na-open very easily. Nakikita mo yung portfolio, and as a dividend investor, medyo minsan na stress ka kapag nakikita mo yung stocks mo na going down. But yeah, if you ask me, again, this is already a good job for Call Financial. So check out if you can already access. Again, link in the description, pro.callfinancial.com. Check out if you can already access their mobile app. Now, if you're wondering, ano ba yung mga dividend stocks na malaki yung dividends at the same time could potentially beat inflation, I actually have the perfect video for that. You can check out this next video, top dividend stocks to beat inflation. So yeah, go ahead and check out that video and I'll see you there. Bye-bye!